How to add weather widget in stories on Telegram. Did you know that you can now add a weather widget to your stories on Telegram? The new version of Telegram brings some exciting updates, including the weather widget. Let me show you how to do it. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the camera icon to open the story creation screen. Take a new photo or video by tapping the white button or select one from your gallery. I'll import a photo from my phone's gallery by tapping on the icon on the left side. Then, select the photo or video you want to add. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the bottom of the screen. In the sticker menu, find and tap on the weather widget. Telegram will ask for permission to access your location. Grant permission by tapping on Only this time. Then, allow GPS access for location-related features by tapping on Enable. You can do this by tapping the toggle button next to Access My Location. Now, go back to your story. Tap on the sticker icon again and select the weather widget. You can now adjust the size and position of the weather widget on your photo or video. When you're done, tap on the Send button to share it with your followers. Select who you want to share the story with. This could be everyone, your contacts, close friends, or only selected users, which is what I chose. Finally, tap on the Post Story button. And that's it. Your story now includes a weather widget. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more helpful tutorials and digital news, subscribe to our channel.